Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Sunday, March 19th, 2023. Here's your integral of the day. We have indefinite integral 3x squared minus 11x plus 4 over x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x dx. So this is just good old rational function. We're going to first figure out the partial fraction decomposition for the integrand, and then work from there. So here we go. It's partial fraction time. We need to factor the denominator. So if I factor out an x, I'm left with x squared minus 3x plus 2, and that factors further. So we have x times x minus 2 times x minus 1. Now, each of those factors is a linear factor. None of them is repeated. So we'll just have three constants, a, b, and c in the numerator. So you'll have a over x, the order doesn't matter, plus b over x minus 2 plus c over x minus 1. All right, now our job is to find what a, b, and c are. So multiply through by the LCD. So x, x minus 2, x minus 1. And then now we have 3x squared minus 11x plus 4 equals a times x minus 2 times x minus 1 plus b times x, x minus 1 plus cx, x minus 2. Now there's a few different techniques, maybe two, to solve for a, b, and c. I'll show you my favorite one for a scenario like this. Because we have all non-repeated linear factors, just substitute in for x what would make each of the different factors or denominators 0 at this step here. So notice a over x, I'm just going to let x equals 0. And then on the left-hand side, if I plug in 0 for x, I'm going to have 4 equals a times negative 2 times negative 1 plus b times 0 plus c times 0. See how nicely that works out? So then we have 4 equals 2a. So a is 2. And then just repeat this process 2 more times. So now we're going to let x equal 2. A little more work. So on the left-hand side, that's going to be, let's see, 3 times 4 minus 22 plus 4. Equals a times 0 plus b times 2 times 1 plus c times 0. So on the left now we have 12 minus 22, that's negative 10, plus 4 is negative 6 equals 2b, so b is negative 3. Good, only one more, and then believe me, integrating is going to be super easy. If we let x equal 1, on the left-hand side, we're going to have 3 minus 11 plus 4 equals a times 0 plus b times 0 plus c times 1 times negative 1. So we've got what on the left-hand side? Let's see, negative 8 plus 4, that's negative 4. Equals negative c, so c is 4. Great. So now that I have a, b, and c, I'm going to rewrite this original integral using the partial fraction decomposition and the constants that I found. So now, you know me, I love a good little narrative. So we have antiderivative of 2 over x. Since b is negative, I'm going to write minus 3 over x minus 2 plus 4 over x minus 1 dx. And we don't need to split these up. We could just knock it all out in one shot. 2 over x, that antiderivative is going to be 2 natural log absolute value of x minus 3 natural log absolute value x minus 2. No u sub required. Just keep the x minus 2 together. It's a little family. Plus 4 natural log absolute value x minus 1 plus c. And voila, we are done. I hope you enjoyed it. This one's just clean, nice, relaxing. Hopefully your Sunday is off to a lovely start. I'm going to get ready and go to ballet, and then I'm on spring break next week. Though I do have a giant pile of grading in front of me, so I'm hoping to get that done in the next day or so. All right, tell me down below in the comments how you like this integral. Do you like partial fraction decomposition? I think if the decomposition's not too challenging, they're pretty straightforward integrals to do, so I enjoy them quite a bit. And let me know if you have any requests, what else you'd like to see next. If you want access to exclusive content, you can join my Patreon. I'll put a link in the description box. And also you can catch me on Instagram and TikTok. Have a great day, you guys. Oh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks. Bye.